Well, you'll probably never get to sit in this sofa, but you paid for it. In the city of Austin, millions of your tax dollars go towards office furniture. That includes new high-end furniture for the new mayor. Today, KXAN investigator Robert Maxwell asked the mayor himself about it.
City records show the city manager was behind the purchases for the high-end furniture in October. That was weeks before the new Austin mayor and mayor pro tem were even elected or sworn in. Today, the mayor's staff invited us into his office to take a look for ourselves.
There it is, a set of 2 modern leather and wood chairs, a small table, and a matching sofa. The finance department's purchase authorization shows total bill, including delivery, more than $11,300. Down on the council floor, we asked new Mayor Steve Adler what he thinks about the furnishings.
Do you recognize this furniture?
I think that's the furniture in my office.
Do you know what the city paid for it?
I don't know. It was in my office when I arrived.
For perspective, we checked prices on similar-looking office furniture. The mayor's side table, retail priced at $1,600, or this similar table from Walmart at $230. The mayor's couch starts at about $8,000 retail, or this from Overstock.com at less than $800. Still, why does the mayor's office need the new decor now? What was wrong with the furniture former Mayor Leffingwell used? City staff tell KXAN the old mayor's furniture was 10 years old. It's been offered to other City Hall staff or auctioned off. The new set has to last another 10 years.
Should the mayor's office be getting brand new furniture, do you think?
I don't know what furniture was in there before. I don't know if this was the mayor's furniture.
A little more digging and we found out the money to pay for the furniture comes from a non-competitive city contract shared among some 20 office furniture suppliers. It's worth $5.4 million. Some of that was spent on expanding the city council chambers dais for the new 10-1 council, as well as other building renovations. Records show the old city council signed off on the furniture contract February 14th, 2013. I'm Robert Maxwell, KXAN Investigates.
In November, we told you Austin taxpayers spent $1.7 million to renovate the 10-year-old City Hall. They had to make room for 4 new city council members and their staffs. City Hall renovations also include new carpet, extra office space, and conference rooms.
If you have an issue we can investigate, let us know. Email our tip line. Report it at kxan.com.